Hey guys, welcome back to another CB650R motovlogs video, and today is kind of like a part 2 to the last video where I was going for my provisional P1 provisional license. Happy to say I did comment it in the last video, but in case you didn't see it, I did pass. About time. It's a long time in the making, but I finally did it. So 3 cheers for me. So I am on the way to Service New South Wales to essentially what happens is after you pass your pre-provisional, as soon as you pass that day, they give you a slip. It's like a certificate of competency. You hand it in to the government department, and then they issue you with your new license. So this one, they don't, back a long time ago they used to issue them on the spot, like you had to wait, you know, like 5 or 10 minutes or something like that, and then they'd give it to you. They don't do that anymore. This, they send it out to you now. But yeah, so we're on our way to Service New South Wales to go and upgrade to our P1 license. It's an amazing day, not just because of the weather, not just because we're getting our P1 license. Today is the first day so my full-time job. I started a new roster this week where I basically work longer shifts, but I have every Friday off, and today is Friday when I'm filming this. It'll come out tomorrow, but it's Friday when I'm filming this, but it's my first day off, and it's good. It's a great day. My wife and my son, we're gonna go out a little bit later and do some stuff. So yeah, so join me for the ride and enjoy this lovely, it's an autumn day. I'm not gonna lie, it looks nice, but it is very cold. If I had to take a guess at what it was, I would probably say it's somewhere around like maybe 15 or 16 degrees perhaps, which that's in Celsius, sorry, not in Fahrenheit, which I know for some people who live in some places that's not cold at all. But it's cold here. We do get colder here, like where I live, so there is parts of New South Wales specifically that does get snow and does get into like minus, like into the negative temperatures. Where I live, we don't really get that. We maybe on the off chance get that in like really cold winters, but it's been quite a while since I've seen temperatures go that low. But yeah, enjoy the sights of Sydney and enjoy the sounds of midnight. I didn't take the baffle out of the exhaust yet. I meant to take it out, but I kind of forgot. I only remembered as I was getting ready to leave this morning that I hadn't taken it out, and quite frankly I couldn't be bothered. Like it's quick to do, but not quick enough for me to be like, yeah, you know what, I wanna do it now. So I'll do it later. I'll do it for another video. And I was gonna say, where is this bus going? He does not have a green light. He's not going there, so it's okay. Man, it's a nice day. I'm actually I need to try and get to a motorcycle shop over the weekend sometime. So I've had well, I've got, I should say. I've got a balaclava, like it's a, I don't know what the material is, but it's kind of like a meshy one, and I've also got a neck sock. But I'm having some issues, like the neck sock, when I put my helmet on, it always comes down, even when I like pull it up higher over my face. But my balaclava, while it's a soft material, after a while of wearing it, it hurts my face, like around where the opening is. It feels like a bit tight. Obviously it's a little bit elastic there, because so it's not super loose on your face, and you know, it's like one of those one size fits most sort of things. I don't think I have an overly big head, so I don't think that's why. I don't know. I did see that there's another brand that make like face masks, so I might give one of them a try. I'll see how it is. Well, that's smoky. So I might give that a try, see how that is. It is still, so what I didn't realize when I made the video the other day, two things actually I didn't realize the other day. So double demerits is still going. I thought the double demerits would finish after the public holiday, so I thought it would have been finished like today. Thought it would have finished at midnight tonight. That's not the case apparently. It finishes, I think it finishes tonight. I think it finishes at basically Saturday morning. And I was talking about school zone starting. It's currently school holidays, so there is no school zones. I was worried for nothing. But anyway, maybe it's because I'm wearing a different helmet, but the bike's sounding real nice today. I don't know what it is, but what's up? Oh, there's a bus there. I'm like, why is this person rushing? I'm guessing they're rushing for the bus. So where we are now, guys, it's like a relatively new area, Edmondson Park. As you can see, there's a lot of buildings, a lot of apartment buildings. There's a shopping center, like a small shopping center. It's got like, you know, like basic things you'd need from a supermarket, like a little shopping center. And luckily enough, there's a Service New South Wales here, just kind of opened a couple of years ago, which makes the area not sound that new, but it still is. It's still developing. As you can see to my left here, there's like a lot of development still going on. But yeah, all right, let's go. We are, whoa. Now the question is, can I get a park out the front? Areas where it's kind of narrow, the bike sounds so good. Doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get a spot. I might have to, gonna have to go into the car park. Seen that before, like that entrance. but I'm not a resident of here, so probably not something I look out for all that often. Oh man, this is where it will sound real nice. Now there is motorcycle parking here somewhere. I think it's down here. Yeah, just here. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut to when we are back on the road.